In this episode, we are going to reach the far north. But first, some maintenance.
And berries.
And berries.
Berries.
And berries. Show the berries.
Berries.
Berries. Did you know that one of the main problems with the two-door Range Rover Classic that everybody loves is that the doors are so heavy that they sag and then they don't close very well or open very well. Now we have a 4-door, but nonetheless when the door is not fully shut, it doesn't align. So you obviously adjust the door pin. And it closes perfectly. The issue is through whatever means, it's now nearly impossible to open it from the outside, and it feels like breaking it from the inside. So I'm going to try to fix it, and I'm also going to... hang on. I'm also going to address the wibbly wobbly indicator and wiper switch. Haha! To illustrate the point, the door alignment actually works through shims. Now normally there are 2 or 3, and I actually had to add even more when we reconstructed the thing because, well, old hinges wear out. Now I'm not even sure if you can remove them without completely removing the hinge, which would necessitate removing the door from the car, which is something I'm definitely not going to do. Sometimes I wish this was a Defender. It would make things a lot easier. I only want one. I only want one. Ja.
Achtung.
Da ist eine Kamera, die läuft, ne? I'm not gonna call it a success. I'm gonna call it that when it lasts 5k. Which it's impossible that it would last that long. In our quest to make these swivel seats work, we actually backdated the whole front of the interior, which you might know if you've seen our tour. If not, go do it. And we also changed the column stalks to Defender ones, which, as it turns out, is a bit of a prototype solution. In my quest to make absolutely everything work that works on a normal car, I fitted the retro steering wheel with a little weld-on thing. that would trigger the indicator return, the auto indicator return. Now, as it turns out, this seems to be the reason for the indicators coming loose all the time, or the levers coming loose. So I'm going to delete that feature now in hope to fix the bug. Maintenance is done. 30 seconds of clever talk ensues. Please buy a workshop manual and get dirty before you leave on a long road trip so that you have any idea what a bad noise can be. We choose to ignore a lot of the noises that this thing makes, but we built it so we can judge if it's bad or really, really bad. And also we have some instruments to tell us how the engine is doing, and well, take care of your thing or you'll break down in the middle of nowhere with no spare parts. You don't want that. So I just had a local guide come up to me who drives a Fiat Panda up north here, but I actually had several old Land Rovers, including a 74 two-door. And he told us that it's very crowded up the North Cape, but everybody wants to go there. So we hope it's not overly crowded. And we also hope that we can do the 260 kilometer stint today so that we hit the nice weather. This is Finland. This is Norway. We are here in Inari, and we have to go up north, then over to the west, over the border, and then head all the way north. And he recommended this spot. Maybe next time. As it seems, the end of the world is popular. Very popular indeed. So popular that you can charge $25.50 per person to just get on this place.
25.50, 28.
$28.50.
Yeah, 28.
So we are in agreement that we only came here to say that we've been here.
Yeah.
Save your money, don't come here. It's
No.
not worth it.